In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can bring in your contact list quickly and accurately. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and that you have your contacts file ready, usually as a CSV or Excel file. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the sidebar, find and click on the Contacts section. This is the main area where all of your contact records are stored and managed, and it's the place where the import process will begin. When the Contacts page opens, look to the upper right-hand corner. You'll see a button labeled Create Contact. Instead of clicking directly on that button, look for the small arrow right next to it, usually a downward-facing arrow or a small drop-down icon. Click that small arrow to reveal more options related to adding new contacts. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Import option. Selecting Import tells Zoho CRM that you want to bring in multiple contacts at once, rather than adding them one by one manually. This is especially helpful if you're migrating from another system, or if you've exported a list from a different tool like an email marketing platform or a spreadsheet. Once you click Import, Zoho CRM will launch a guided import process. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to upload your contacts file, choose the correct module, and then map the columns in your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM, such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and any custom fields you might be using. Take your time with this mapping step because it ensures that all your data ends up in the right place. The prompts may also include options